There's the view from down below. Hey, getting ready to install this 679L BROAN bathroom ceiling fan as a replacement for the one I just took out. Go ahead and open it up. Kind of cool. It's just like the other one as far as that goes. Being able to plug in the light. This will work just fine here. I got it covered. So there's a side for there. There's the new one. I'm going to save that so you can get the similar thing like that. This is also BROAN like the last one. Good, it'll wire in just like that old one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this so I can bring the wires in through there. Go ahead and pop this off for the wiring. Oh yeah, that's nice. I'll run it through here. Ground goes there. Okay, wiring this up is going to be easy. So it's white to white, so you're going to have three white wires. And the one coming from the house going to this, and black to black, and then there's a red one coming from the house, which is going to attach to the blue. So red to blue, white to white, black to black. Up here, crawled back up in here. I put this through the hole there as a placeholder because it's going to go down and through there, and that's going to attach. So now black to black, white to white, and then red to blue, and then ground to that right there. Okay, got it wired now. I can set it into place. That's kind of how it's going to sit roughly. I'm going to pull it up. I got to put a couple boards in to secure it because I don't have any brackets for this thing, so I'll just use boards. Okay, I measured a tape measure from here to there. I'm gonna need 2 boards running across there. 22 3/4 inch wide by 2 3/4, sorry, 22 1/8 wide across, 22 1/8 by 2 3/4 high. Hey, I went and turned the power on real quick. I just want to see if this baby works before I mount it. All right, that's good. All right, 22 1/8 long. Got my 2 mounting boards cut. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Snap that in there. Okay, you'll know it's not good if you put here 2 snaps. Okay, there's my 2 mounting boards. I had to notch them out a little bit. There's those little side tabs right there. So I notched them out, and then I'll be able to, but I need to mount those to the, I'm gonna mount those to the boards there. I just slipped this on too. That just goes on real easy. It goes up through the roof. There we go. Go down below and mount it to the sides here, to my mounting blocks. All right, there it is from down below. Just gonna get as close to flush as I can and put my sinking screws in there, anchor screws. Okay, got it sunk in there to the sides. Now this is gonna go in there. So that's gotta plug into there. Okay, that thread's in there. And this, that screw right there. Into that hole. And then screw it on with this bolt. Okay, so this thing actually, this needs to come back off. Unscrew that. This goes on first. This holds that up to the roof. So typically with your older ones, you had a couple Ys coming out here that would actually spring load and hold this up there. In this case, the light fixture does the trick. So go ahead and pull that off, put that on, and then put the light fixture in. All right, that's how this thing goes. So it holds this up there. Now we can just put in our light bulb, snap on the front light cover. I just push that in. I can fit the bulb. Alright, now this baby goes on there. Snaps in.